Okay, what is going on, guys? Dog with me, you already know the deal. Here's the intro. Carrier condenser coil again. Did the same thing yesterday, just a different place, different house, different application. Okay, listen, retrofitting is what I do. Okay, we get there, the coil is backwards. I understand why they do it. They're lazy. Okay, we turn that coil right back around to the front. Wrap the line set around it. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Looks beautiful, works beautiful. I came home, took a nap afterwards, so now we're editing it, you know, getting this intro, and I'm on call. She actually calls and says the house is not cooled down yet. Excuse me, ma'am. We started that system 3 hours ago, and it's dropped the temperature. She said 5 to 6 degrees in only 3 hours. Listen, that's normal, okay? It's 85 degrees in your house. Well, now it's 79 after 3 hours. It's gonna take a while. Really nice lady, and you know, she understood after I told her that, but I just think it's funny. Anyways, check out this video. I'm running out of hands. Also right here, I just want to say I created a lot of good habits. I also created a lot of bad habits recently. A good habit is I've been eating really well, eating breakfast. A bad habit is I don't cook it and I don't prepare for myself. I just been stopping at the old Hy-Vee gas station. It's got this beautiful yogurt dish thing, $4. It's got all, I don't even know. I'm sold. I'm getting one every single morning now. They've got good breakfast. Anyways, that's where all my money's going to, is on this stuff right here. So, oh, and of course, Milwaukee tools and decking out my van and my dog. My iPad's almost bigger than this thing. Definitely new installation. I bring this stuff in on every install. We got a light with 3 lights on it, really nice light. Install box, fan, radio, install bag, sheet metal bag. Got the coil backwards. It's a drain down. Okay. Floor drain right here. They sent us with a 8-inch coil. Hey, don't be working too hard now. Look at that, already loose. Silicone cut. They didn't give us very many options.
Drain's prep.
On the drain,
Why is it not going into the drain?
yeah. I wish we could redo the whole drain, but they glued that part of the furnace on the furnace, and then they got Street 90, which is also glued. Coil's backwards, but we're gonna take the line set down and over. So we'll see what we do with the drain, but as you can tell, we're effed right off the bat. Look at this. DeWalt blade on a Milwaukee tool. Sounds about right. Okay, for the metal we got 17 3/4. We're gonna bend that flange down so that'll be 17 1/4 height. We got 14 3/4 for a coil. So it'd be a 3-inch piece. Outside to outside is 17 by 20 and 3/4. We got 20. By 16.5. So our flanges are 16. Do an inside flange on the left-hand side. And we've got 20 here, so inside flange on the back. Puts it here. That'll be good. Outside flange, inside, inside. And we'll be good. Got the metal bent. Use the Pittsburgh today. Thought the Pittsburgh machine was broken, but it's just that outlet's not working. Back at the hyphen gas, let me get some lunch now. Okay, here's the new unit. I mean, honestly, that's close enough. I'm probably just gonna hand bend that, both of them in there. New insulation. We'll put some rock around the front, but it's level right now. Out with the old. Okay, we got foam tape. We set the coil on. S-locks. You know the deal. We're gonna bring the line set behind it and over and actually put the coil the right way. Put another 90 right there where I just lost my hand mark, so I'm gonna have to redo that. But where's that?
Right here.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, use one of them. Have 3 extras.
I will say the nice square is a pain in the ass to do that sometimes.
It's so satisfying getting it done.
Right?
Okay, metal's on. Copper's bent up. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 braze joints inside, 2 outside. So you just can't beat that. Okay, we got the nitrogen flowing. I got that all over there so it'll keep that hose tight. 2 braze joints. Those joints. Just let the torch there, popped around and braze these real quick. Let's go leak check it. Okay, we're all brazed up. I had one small leak inside on the back side here, and then one outside. Not gonna lie to you, it was right here. So I made sure it wasn't gonna leak after that. We're good. Just gotta insulate that line. Take the wet rags off. We did braze with nitrogen the whole time, so this oxidization did not happen on the inside of the pipe. There's the braze joint, doesn't look horrible. Very nice. Don't try this at home, obviously, or do it, but you didn't learn it from me. We're gonna block this off with a box, and we're in a safe, secluded area back here. It's fine. Done with these wet rags. Oh. AC right here. Wow. Okay, that's not actually wired in, but I use my cord so we can pull a vacuum. Take 120 from there. Looking good. Wish this S-lock was a little longer, but.
This is me. She'll just work.
Beautiful dog.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's a
so
lot worse.
the main, the hard
Yeah.
work out of the way.
Oh, good.
So, but we've got to go get some stuff from Lowe's to tidy it up. We're gonna put some rock around that pad just to make everything look nice.
Oh, did you put a new pad in?
Yeah, we put a new pad
Oh,
on
okay.
top of that concrete one, just
okay.
to raise it up a little bit more.
Yeah,
and
it was so low.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
Oh,
it
can I
looks
go look
better.
at it?
So yeah, we've got to get some insulation for the pipes as well. So right now they're just kind
Okay.
of
Oh,
bare copper, but they're
Gotcha.
gonna look a little bit nicer
Like
here in a
those,
little bit.
those
Like this,
things?
yeah, like that insulation, except we've got better stuff we're gonna put on there. But yeah. Okay, so right there, I'm mocking myself, and I'm just like, I didn't want to show any video of her, you know, but I wanted to put that conversation in there. So that's me talking, like pretending to just, you know, that's me mocking myself. Don't make me buy a flower right now.
Don't make me buy you a flower.
I wish I knew which ones, like, you know, sprouted, which time. You can keep your yard all colorful all year round, you know. I just do HVAC though. Doing something big here. Came here to get that. Did we need it? No, but we wanted it. Did we have to go to Lowe's? No. But was it hot, and did we want the AC for a little bit? Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, it was a little bit unnecessary. I know, that's what I do. Sometimes I'm a little unnecessary, but I don't, you know, are you gonna sue me? Are you gonna tell my freaking mother? I don't think you are. So keep watching this video. Also, Mom, if you're watching this, I know I'm 25 years old, but I hope nobody tells you on me. Oh Lord. I still gotta cut this. This is just for when I'm brazing. Zip tie them together. New disconnect on. Gotta put some tape here. Insulation. Start it up. Okay, we release charge. We're going to measure the line set and add the refrigerant accordingly because it's pretty long line set. Okay, we waited in the charge. Temp split looks good. We'll check this subcoil and we'll probably be done. Take some after pictures. And that's money. All right, if you guys liked that video, even if you didn't like that video, just hit the like button. Out of spite, hit that like button. And if you're at the end of the video still not subscribed, like, what are you doing? You just watched that whole video and you're gonna act like you don't want to subscribe? Hit that button. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.